Welcome to our video on delicious gluten-free recipes for effective weight loss. Many struggle with weight loss, but finding the right diet can be challenging. Luckily, we've got some amazing gluten-free recipes that are both delicious and healthy. Whether you're a busy professional or a stay-at-home parent, these recipes are perfect for anyone looking to lose weight. First, we have a tasty breakfast recipe perfect for a quick and easy morning meal. Our gluten-free banana pancakes are fluffy, flavorful, and packed with protein. Simply mash up some ripe bananas, whisk in a few eggs, and add almond flour and baking powder. Cook them up in a non-stick pan and enjoy with your favorite toppings. Next, we have a healthy lunch option that's both filling and satisfying. Our gluten-free quinoa salad is packed with veggies, protein, and healthy fats. Cook up some quinoa and toss in some roasted vegetables, chickpeas, and avocado. Dress with some lemon juice, olive oil, and herbs for a refreshing and flavorful salad. For a midday snack, try our gluten-free roasted chickpeas. These crunchy little bites are perfect for satisfying your cravings without adding unnecessary calories. Simply toss some chickpeas with olive oil and spices and bake them in the oven until crispy. Moving on to dinner, we have a delicious gluten-free stir-fry that's packed with flavor. This recipe features tender chicken breast, colorful vegetables, and a savory gluten-free soy sauce. Simply sauté the chicken and veggies in a pan and add the sauce for a delicious and healthy dinner. Last but not least, we have a sweet gluten-free dessert that's perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without ruining your diet. Our gluten-free chocolate chip cookies are soft, chewy, and packed with chocolatey goodness. Simply mix together some almond flour, coconut oil, and chocolate chips and bake them in the oven for a guilt-free treat. And that's it for our video on delicious gluten-free recipes for effective weight loss. We hope you enjoyed these tasty and healthy recipes that are perfect for anyone looking to shed some pounds. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipe ideas. And let us know in the comments which recipe you're excited to try. Thanks for watching.